Washing your motorcycle or car at home not only saves you money, but also gives you the satisfaction of seeing your vehicle clean and shiny, all done by yourself. Below, I present a simple and effective method to create a homemade tool that will help you wash your vehicle professionally, using accessible materials. Preparation of the main tube. First, we will need a PVC pipe and a cap. With the help of hot silicone, we will seal the top of the PVC pipe and then secure this joint with adhesive tape for greater firmness and sealing. Creation of holes. With the heater, we will make a hole in the lid of the PVC pipe. This hole will allow the insertion of other components and facilitate the flow of water and detergent. Insertion of small tubes. We will need 2 smaller PVC pipes that we will insert inside the main PVC pipe. We will apply hot silicone to the joints to ensure that they are well fixed and there are no leaks. Assembly of additional components. We will take another PVC pipe and connect it to one of the joints of the main pipe. At the other joint, we will insert a smaller PVC pipe, making sure it fits snugly. Next, we will take an L-shaped PVC pipe and insert it into the main pipe. And in the leftover part of the L-shaped tube, we will insert another small PVC tube. Lid and container assembly. We will take a PVC lid and apply hot silicone inside. Next, we will attach this cap to the main tube. With the heater, we will make a hole in the center of the lid. Next, we will take the plastic container and place it on the lid, ensuring that it is tight. Hose connection. We will connect the hose to the L-shaped PVC pipe and secure this connection with a fastener. Adjustable strap to prevent sliding or disconnecting during use. Preparation of the detergent. We remove the plastic container and add a little vehicle-specific detergent, preferably one designed for washing cars. Then we will place the plastic container back on the lid. The use of the traditional tool. Finally, we will open the stopcock and the PVC key. Over time, the container will slide.